Hello, folks! Welcome to PE Sweden. I am Yosef, your AI robot. Today, I'm going to show you something really cool. How you can bring a logo to life. We'll transform a static figure into a dynamic avatar, just like me, that you can use for vlogs, presentations, or anything your creativity inspires. I'll be using the paid version of Gemini to start with, but stay tuned until the very end. I have a secret to share about a fantastic free tool you can use for unlimited image generation. Let's dive right into the process. First, we start with the source. I'm uploading the PE Sweden logo here. It features a friendly robot. Hey, that looks just like me. Since we believe in data minimization and clarity, our first goal is to strip away the extra elements so the AI can focus solely on the character. You don't need to be a coding wizard. Modern LLMs are very intelligent. I'm simply telling Gemini, remove everything in the logo besides the robot, because I will be using the robot as an avatar. Simple and direct. Now that we have the clean version, let's give him some legs. I'll prompt Gemini to create a full body of the robot in a standing position. See how he starts to take shape? This is where the magic happens. But let's say you're not 100% happy yet. Maybe it looks too cartoonish. You can always talk to the AI to refine it. I'm telling it, make the robot more realistic. You can zoom in, check the details, and even ask it to remove specific objects, like a book or a background prop. Iterate until it feels right. Now, remember that secret I promised? We have our avatar, but what if you want to create more images without paying for a subscription?
That was too much, right? Or maybe not. Okay.
Let me introduce you to Chatbot Arena. You'll find the link in the description. This tool has a battle mode. It sounds intense, but it's actually super helpful. You upload your avatar, let's take the one we just made, and ask it to do something like delete the background. The tool will then use two different AI models simultaneously to generate results. You get two images side by side. Maybe the left one looks a bit off, but the right one? Perfection. When you vote for the best one, it reveals which model won. For example, Gemini 2.5 versus ChatGPT. This gives you transparency and the best possible quality, totally for free. And there we have it! You've gone from a static logo to a fully realized 3D avatar and learned how to use free tools to keep creating. If you'd like to learn more about creating videos or using AI safely, please leave a comment below. Start creating, and I'll see you in the next video.